Hello everyone, the Galactic Builder, or should I say the Galactic Baker, back at it with another video. Today I will be explaining the Galactic Baker sub-channel with my dear cousin JS. Please say hello.
Hi guys.
And JS, could you please say a little bit about yourself and how you have contributed to this amazing channel? Don't we all agree, guys? Over to you.
So I am the Galactic Builder's cousin, and I worked with her to design the banner for her channel, and I've edited the baking videos. The Galactic Builder has also mentioned me in the description of her videos.
I don't know if any of the viewers have been wondering this, but why do we only do gluten-free stuff? I know the answer to this, but I know they probably do not.
I have celiac disease, so I can't eat gluten, which is in wheat and stuff. So we make all of the recipes so that I can eat it and basically taste the recipes how they would be gluten. Let us know in the comments if you would like to see more baking video shorts from us, or if you had any things that you want us to make, and even if you just want us to continue the baking videos at all.
Yeah, we're really open to it. We love doing shorts. We're so surprised that that one got over 600 views. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
I think it was over 600. That is actually the second best video on my channel, so let's keep up the good work. Well, thank you, JS, for appearing on the channel. I do not know if this is a podcast or a video. You guys can decide that if you want. It's really how you interpret it. But thank you so much. It's been so nice seeing you and so nice talking to you. I hope the Galactic Baker sub-channel grows more. And yeah, there's really not much else to say. So this is the Galactic Builder / Galactic Baker signing off. See ya!